the colors we want to be adding is, if nothing is missing, we want it to be in blue color. If amount is missing, it should be in red color. And if you're having a surplus, then it should indicate a green color. So how do we do that? We make use of conditional formatting here. So this same cell is what we are formatting. Come here and let's go straight to conditional formatting. I'm going to this week. So the conditional formatting, what do we do? If this cell is exactly, nothing is missing. Remember, exactly, don't put space at the end if you don't have space at the end of your formula. So nothing is missing. So what should it give us? Let's add our colors. The text should be in bold. The text color should be black, and the fill color should be in this blue color. I'll click on done. So that is one. I'll add another rule for surplus. If text is exactly surplus, so we want the text should be in a green color. The text color should be black and it should be in bold. Then I'm adding another rule. If the text is exactly amount missing, what should happen? The fill color should be red. The text color should be white, so that white will display very well on red. And then the text should be in bold. Then I'll click on done. So let's find out whether what we have done is working. So nothing is missing is in blue color already. Let me add something here to have a surplus. $10. Surplus is in green, and let me add 20 here to have something is missing. Amount missing is in red. Our formulas are working. Now the next thing is we want these numbers as well to always change color, as this is changing color. So if we're having 0 here, we should have blue color. If we're having any number that has minus, we should be in red. Then if you have anything that is more than 0, we should have green, which is our surplus. So let's do that. I'll click on the cell, go to conditional formatting, and then now we are dealing with numbers. So we are not using text exactly again because the numbers can change. So we are using numbers. If number is greater than 0, meaning we're having surplus. Greater than 0, put your value there. So what should our color be? Bold. Text should be black. And our fill color should be in green, that is surplus. Then I'm adding a rule. Greater than. The next rule is if our text there is less than 0, it means something is missing. So the text should be red background, red fill color with a white text in it, in bold color. Then I'm adding another rule for the last one, which is going to be if our text is exactly equal to 0. So what should happen? We should have a black text in bold color, and fill color should be in this blue color. And then let's click on done to save our changes. So now as you can see, amount is missing, red. Let's add 10 here to see what we have. Nothing is missing, blue. And let's add another 10. Let's add another 10 to have a surplus. Surplus, green. So our formulas are working perfectly and we are having exactly what we are building.